Hi. So let's add the next thing on here. So we want to load the page with videos in it. So what we do is we simply document dot event listener. So DOM content loaded. On DOM content loaded, let's do some let's load the object. Function load object. So when we enter the page, when we open the page, page is considered as document. So when the document is loaded, then it's going to call the function. So the function will start fetching the my URL data. Oh, by the way, I've changed the place, if you noticed, because when you have it here, I tried it earlier, it didn't work, so I needed to put it in here. Let's now log it. Let's call this my obj. So let's log my obj thing and try. So we have here objects, and we have three results, and then this should have a video ID, and in the snippet we would have title here. So yeah, that's all in here, and the total we have about 1 million results. So the fetch is working. The fetch is working now. We can add display video and titles function, right? And then we could also add some extra things there. So let's work on this one. To do so, we would need to access the array, which is here, items. So we call it myobj dot items, right? And then let's use reduce. Takes callback function and then initialize it as 0, acc, and then each element. So usually acc is known as 0. So let's call this string for now. So let's first log each element. So yeah, we have this elements as objects, which has ID, and we would need video ID, right? ID and video ID. That's what we would need for the video. So we can say element dot id dot video ID, right? This gives us video ID, and also we need the title. and the title is, let's see, let's go back to object. Alright, it's inside snippet. It is inside snippet, right? If you just take it a bit higher here, snippet.title. So it's gonna be e dot snippet.title. So this should give us each title. Let's take this out for now, and each video on the screen if we log them out. No, I'm sorry, I said on the screen, it should be here on the console. So that's the title, and that's the video ID. That's the title, and that's the video ID. That's the title, and that's the video ID. Alright, so far things are working. Now let's take this out for now. Now let's create let's call it p tag. Let's create p tag, and then document dot create, right? Create element. Let's say p. Now, so we create p tag for each of this, and then at the end we can simply our video container here, we could simply add all p tags append child into our video container, right? So this should appear on the page now. Alright, it didn't work for some reason. So, oh, that's my mistake. Now it should work. Let's see. Append child is not an object. Let's see the problem. Oh, sorry, yeah. I forgot this thing. It should be on the HTML thing, right? We're not adding it right to P, because P is just the element of DOM. Yeah, now it's working. So now we have all the, as you see, all the video titles and video IDs. So we can simply now add iframes in order to display the videos. So now we have titles and videos, right? And let's add iframe to get the video onto the screen. So it's gonna be, I think it's iframe. Source. We can do it at the end. Let's say, yeah, let's just leave it like this. Iframe source. Now we would need to add this into here, right? And then close iframe. That should give us the videos on the screen. Not found, not found, not found. Let's go back. Oh, we need to add some extra stuff in here. .com, and then I think it was embed, and then the ID thing. So it should work. Let's see. Yep, it's working now. Let's make it. Oh, by the way, as you see, it's already getting this nice cars. Let's maybe add some BRs in here. So one in here, and then another one in here, just to make this a bit nicer for now, and then we can start it later. So yeah, so we got the titles and videos for now. Let's click on it if it's working. Let's click on this one. Yep, it's working. So that was it for now. On the next one, that's just one thing. Let me just soft wrap it. Yeah, so we can see the full thing in here. And let's soft wrap this one as well. There you go. Oops. Oops, oops, oops. What did I just do? Soft wrap. Yeah, so now, yeah, we can see that as well. So on the next video, let's add some get pages function, and then maybe let's add some another function, get page info, right? And also note in here we will need to pass this objects, so these functions will have an object to work with, right? So far I guess things are all right. So thank you, see you in the next one.